Chapter 5 Southern Sumatra Part 1 Lampong Introduction. The people of Lampong, as stated in the introduction, are divided into the mountain people, the Orang Abung, and the plains people, the Orang Pablan. The Orang Abung probably are the original people of the region, while the Orang Pablan are a mixture of this and Sundanese from Java. Certainly, the lowland people have acquired many later Malaysian traits as well as Sundanese culture. I will first describe the civilized plains people and then comment upon the mountaineers. Later is none concerning the former trade and intercourse between Lampung and Bantam, which lies just across the Sunda Straits in Java. Bantam took an interest in Lampung because of the people planted there and gradually took it under control. The sultans of Bantam, however, laid no other obligation upon the people of Lampung than the right to purchase paper at a fixed price. The sultans of Bantam also conferred the title of Punggawa, representative of the sultan, on the Lampung chiefs and gave instructions for the settling of boundary disputes. Other titles as well were sold, for the Bantam sultans well knew how to turn the vanity of the people of Lampung to their own commercial advantage. The titles conferred were bartered in turn among the natives of Lampung. The Dutch first established contact with Lampung at the time of the East India Company in 1864. The company received as monopoly the local paper trade from Sultan Haji of Bantam. While Lampung is 500 square miles in area, it has a population of about 60,000 people. Voorhoeve attributes this scanty number to the following causes: 1. The despotic nature of the chiefs and the rich; 2. The large sum of money which a man has to pay for a wife. This hindrance to marriage causes a large portion of the population to die unmarried and childless. 3. The prevailing custom which forces a man to marry the woman left by his deceased brothers, nephews, and grandfathers. Due to his custom, there are Lampang children and even sucklings who have 4, 6, and more wives. The amount of sickness prevalent among young children. 5. The number of people lost to murder or as victims of wild animals. 6. Van Hove estimates that under Bantam rule, 1/5 of the population was sold as slaves or captured by pirates.